And the next type of referencing that we want to talk about is absolute referencing. And sometimes you don't want your references to move. Maybe you have, say, a tax rate, or you want to change currencies, and you have the fixed rate of that particular currency in a particular location. All right. Now, that is where the absolute reference comes in. To insert the absolute reference, you use a dollar sign to lock that row or to lock that particular column. And this is usually what an absolute reference would look like as a formula. Another easier way to insert absolute reference is to just toggle your F4 key on your keyboard. Now, when do you use absolute references? You use absolute references when, for instance, you're trying to calculate a particular tax rate. So let's say if the tax rate is stored in a cell G1, for instance, and the sales rows must reference to that particular cell. So all you need to do is just include the dollar sign in front of the G and the dollar sign in front of the 1. Another good example of using absolute references is exchange rates. So when you want to convert prices based on a certain currency, you can use that, all right? And then if you want to also apply discounts across, so let's say you have a particular promo on, you want to apply a 10% discount, for instance, that is where you use absolute references.